Highway Code Rule 145 states that you should not drive on or over a pavement, a pathway or a bridle way unless it's to gain lawful access to a property or unless it's an emergency. Hi everyone, today's video has been inspired by one of my viewers who has sent me in a couple of clips of people driving and riding over pavements, and this, in my opinion, is getting worse. I see it more and more and more even in my daily life. Let's have a look at the clips. So, as you can see, in between recording, things happen. Nice little hold back for the ambulance there. I was just really aware, though, of the vehicles behind, because you have to stop as smoothly as you can. You can't just slam on in that situation with people being close behind. They don't know actually what you're going to do and what your actions are going to do. So, just keep that in mind. A little bit of extra for us there, peeps. In this clip we're going to be watching the left-hand pavement. Notice we can't see very much because of the shadows, so I'm just going to raise them so we can see a little more of what's going on. The motorcyclist rides up the narrow pavement on this left-hand bend. His view through the shadows wouldn't have been very good, and as we can see there's pedestrians including children here on the left. This clip is not as dangerous, but it still fills me with disbelief. The old couple in this car literally drove up this pavement to go and park their vehicle near the shops a bit further up. These two clips were reported to Avon and Somerset police as they happened in Bristol. Here we go, got another ambulance, another paramedic. They're going the other way, that's okay. So yeah, these clips were reported to Avon and Somerset police because they happened in Bristol. And apparently appropriate action was taken against both of these offenders. As I've said before, it's not something that I've ever done. I've not reported anyone, but let us know what you think in the comments of how easy it is to report offences to our local police forces. Oh, look at that fella, just driven around the pavement to get through the lights to come straight back on the road. I've seen that on one of your YouTube things. Yeah, and he's probably getting on the next one with that one as well, mate. He's literally just driven all the way around this corner on the pavement. Most of the time people drive over pavements literally because they're impatient, they can't be bothered waiting. But there are scenarios that even I've had with my pupils where I've instructed them to drive on a pavement to actually fix an awkward scenario. Let's have a look at this clip that happened with Harris, one of my pupils, about a year ago. Be looking through the fence, see if we can see any movement, and just be ready to slow. Less gas and keep wide, slower. Slower now, use your brake, clutch down, keep to the left, clutch down, keep to the left. Straighten right now, stay right, stay right.
Sorry.
Alright. Okay. Now, they're going to have to move back, put it into first gear. Clutch down, Harris. Move your car slowly and steer a little to the right. Steer a bit right, clutch down now. Steer right, there you go, straighten your wheels. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go up this curb and try and move us up. So, move slowly and steer to the left for me. Move slowly now, steer left now. Clutch down a little bit. Good. Steer right a little, slow it down a little bit, clutch down, and just stop a second. Just stop. Don't steer left. You don't need to. We'll wait here rather than driving on the pavement. We're now going to check and move off, and off we go. Good. Good. Steer off the pavement now. Move your hands more, Harris. Good man. And then steer back down onto the road, and off we go. And we're going to avoid this road like you played me, aren't we? Yeah?
Good thing we're going to
Good job. Quick next gear. So even though our situation with me and Harris could be classed as an offence, sometimes parking on the pavement momentarily is your only option to fix certain situations. Try and avoid this if you possibly can. You should do your absolute utmost. But what we did was totally different from these next two clips. It's the blue car in front that we're watching this time, and I'd like you to think on how much time this actually saved them. It's the left pavement that we're watching this time. The car comes from behind. Hopefully this video may deter people from doing this in the future, but again, this video is probably going out to most of my viewers who have seen many of my clips before and are of a good mindset. So hopefully, if you could, share this so it maybe gets out to a few more people. But yeah, hopefully it deters people from doing this in the future. Now in any case, all you're going to do is just get stuck at the next set of lights anyway. But we've just got a parting little thought. What about cyclists going on pavements? Highway Code Rule 64 says that cyclists must not cycle on pavements. But what are your thoughts on that? Please let us know what you think in the comments. I'll be interested for this discussion. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. See you soon.